Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to marinate your goat meat, and I'm doing some curry goat. So I am going to use again my favorite curry. Just gonna throw it all over. Some meat seasoning. Some garlic seasoning and onion seasonings. There's garlic salt and onion salt. Black pepper. Turmeric, some Italian herbs, and I am just going to add some garlic. I am using this garlic. And it's crushed garlic, chopped garlic, and it's ready, guys. I'm just gonna add some cayenne pepper. You see it, cayenne? It's smelling so good. I'm just gonna rub this in, guys, and I'm just gonna cover this with a cling wrap, and this is going to be my Sunday dinner. So it's gonna be in the fridge overnight. Look at that, guys, looking so lovely, smelling so good. So this is how I marinate my goat meat, guys. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna take this from the fridge, and I'm just gonna pop this in my Instant Pot, and I'll add my other seasoning like my scallion, onion, green onion, and sweet peppers and stuff to this tomorrow. So yes, guys, this is looking lovely. Look at that, looking so good, guys. So this is how you marinate your goat meat. I'm gonna cover this now with some cling wrap. And that's dinner tomorrow. That's how you marinate your goat meat, guys. Looking lovely, guys, looking lovely. Look at that, so gorgeous. The aroma that is coming from this right now. So I'm gonna cover this with cling wrap and pop it in the fridge, and I'm going to use this tomorrow. I want to make sure it's properly sealed. That's my niece, and I'm making a video, so you're hearing her voice. So there you go. I'm just going to pop this in the fridge for tomorrow.